Hey guys, Randy with Pete's RV TV today. Today I want to talk a little bit about roofs. We're up here on the roof of this used unit that we have on our lot. This is what I do not want your roof to look like. So the rubber roofs in the RV world probably come with one of the longest warranties in the RV world. And the reason being is that rubber is really good stuff, but we've got to take care of it. So two things with a rubber roof. One, once a year we want to wash it and UV protect it. So as we can see, this rubber roof here has probably not been washed, and all these black marks on that, what that is dirt and debris that's collected against the rubber, and that is actually prematurely pulling the waxes, oils, and polymers out of that rubber, shortening its life. So we want to make sure we clean our roof, get that dirt and debris off our roof. Let's let it start the camping season clean and fresh, and treat our rubber nicely. The other thing that is probably the most important thing that you can do to your RV during warranty and outside of warranty is check the roof seals twice a year. So we can see around this shower dome here that we have some caulking, and someone has been maintaining this because I've got two colors of caulking up here. We can see one was the original from the manufacturer, and then someone has added some. Over a period of time, this caulking starts to dry out and crack a little bit. So that's what we need to maintain. During your warranty period, the manufacturers are requiring you to do a visual inspection of that caulking twice a year. If there is a leak and you haven't checked it, that's on you. That is a maintenance item. So make sure if you're not doing it, you have your dealer do it for you, but check that caulking twice a year. After your warranty is out, continue that regular maintenance. That is probably, again, the most important thing that you can do on your camper. The roof of your camper takes a brunt of the weather. The rain hits the roof of your camper. This is the caulking that keeps the water out. So this is probably the most important thing that you can do. Check those roof seals. Also keep your rubber clean so it's going to last you a long time with no troubles. Thanks for watching TV with Randy today. I look forward to seeing you on the road, and happy camping.